Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will tell you and show you how you can turn off flashlight notifications on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write your comments and also make sure to put your likes. So let's get down to our topic. And first of all, in order to turn off flashlight notifications, please open the settings on your phone. Next, scroll down a little bit until you find a section called Accessibility. Go into it and further scroll down to the very bottom. Here you will find a section such as Sound and Picture. Now scroll down to the bottom again. And down here at the bottom, you'll find a function like this. You'll need to click on that. And as you can see, I currently have all the flashlight notifications on my iPhone turned on. In order to turn them off, I just need to deactivate all these 3 buttons. But I still recommend that you usually leave the last one on. Because when there's no flashlight notification at all, that's not very good either. And this is the very simple way, friends, you can deactivate flashlight notifications on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, don't forget to write your comments, and see you soon.